Tired of wondering when your machine stopped? Want to track downtime events without paying thousands of dollars for a SCADA system? In this video, we will use Python and a Rockwell PLC to automatically log downtime events to a CSV file. This is part 1 of the 6-part course where we will build our own OEE logger using real industrial tools. What you will need? You will need a Python 3.3 installed and a PyCharm IDE and a pylogix library, a Rockwell CompactLogix or a ControlLogix PLC, and a tag named machine stop. You want to build something like this. As you can see, my machine is running. I'll run the Python script. Once the machine is stopped, I push a stop button. Once the machine is stopped, you could see Python script logged machine stopped and notepad was logged. The CSV file had the same thing recorded.